O, diba? 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 dirham siya. 9 days. 10 dirham a day. Tingnan natin after 1 year. Kung makakaipon ako o madadagdagan pa. Tapos, lahat ng points dito, o, dami. Kunin ko din yan. Tingnan natin after 1 year kung magkano yung maiipon ko. Sana makaipon talaga. Ayan na guys, so 10 dirham a day, deal ko yan. After 1 year.
Wow! Am I maganda?
Oo.
Ah, sinungaling! Liar! Oh, mahal kita. Alam niya lahat. Mahal kita is I love you. Habibi, like that?
I know, I love you. This mahal kita. Manila, Pampanga, Quezon City, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna.
Ayan, I'm from Laguna.
Bisaya.
It's far from Laguna. Bye! Say bye, bye, bye! Ah, she don't. I think she like you, Natalie. She's down. She's down. Hi!
He doesn't understand what you're talking about.
No, she understands me because she's sitting. Natalie, she like you! It's okay. She will not bite you. It's so cute! Lola! Lola! No, I don't see. What is that? Red, orange, and black? Ah, gray. Red, orange, and gray.
No.
What?
Right?
Hi guys! Heto na naman ako. Ma'am Shiroan. Yan. Medyo okay na pala yung yung kulay na kahapon. Yung ginawa kong color change. Medyo okay naman. Parang naging highlights lang siya. Alis ako ngayon. Pinayagan ako ng madam ko. Kukunin ko yung yung mga ukay-ukay ko dun sa hagdan. Tapos try kong i-haul. Buti pinayagan ako. Kaya rush ang maglilinis ko. Sabi ko, pagkatapos kong maglinis, pwede kang kunin ko yung mga pinamili ko. Iniwan ko kasi doon ang bigat, guys. Tapos, may napanood akong mga vlog, yung yung ipon challenge. Try ko nga rin kayang mag-ipon dito sa Abu Dhabi. 10 dirham lang a day. 10 dirham a day. So, i-convert mo siya sa Pinas. 140 a day. 10 dirham. Tingnan natin after 1 year kung makakaipon talaga ako nun. Sige, guys, tingnan kayo. Nilagay ko siya dito, oh. Ngayon is January 9. January 9 ngayon. Pero, ginawa ko, kumuha na ako ng 90 dirham. O, diba? 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 dirham siya. 9 days. 10 dirham a day. Tingnan natin after 1 year. Kung makakaipon ako o madadagdagan pa. Tapos, lahat ng points dito, oh, dami. Kunin ko din yan. Tingnan natin after 1 year kung magkano yung maiipon ko. Sana makaipon talaga. Kaya guys, so, 10 dirham a day, deal ko yan. After 1 year. January 9. Ngayon yung di ba yung sa Quiapo ba yun? Si Black Nazareth. January 9. Naku, sana safe lahat ng pumunta doon ngayon. Yung mga pandesal doon. Alis muna ako guys. Balik ako mamaya. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ukay ko. 1 dirham lang, may 3, 5. Pero magaganda siya guys. Excited na ako. Kaya, alis muna ako. Pero before mamaya, pagsakay ko ng ano. Dala ko ba yung bus card ko? Bus card? Where's the... Ayan. Bus card muna ako, pupunta doon. Tapos pag pauwi, saka na lang ako mag-taxi. Pero tipid. Kailangan tipid. Tipid lagi. Diba? Shout out nga pala kay It's Kyle. Ang aking laging nagtatanong, ilan ang subs mo, ate? Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa siya. Basta lahat, think positive lang tayo, guys. Diba? Habang dito nila. So, diba ang ganda nung nung kulay, parang highlight siya. Parang talaga ako marunong mag-kilay talaga. Ay, mas kilay-slide pa naman. Saglit lang guys, ha? Tutul ko kayo mamaya. Pag sa taxi na ako pauwi, kukunin ko lang yung aking pinamili na ukay. Nagpi-play pala siya. Nakakatawa naman. Alis na ako, guys. Hindi pa pala ako nag-shoes. Shoes pa. Ang init, guys. Eto na ako sa labas. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Parang nakatakas sa ano. Hindi makapaniwala nakalabas. Mukha ko. Ang init pala. Ano lang kasi dito, mag-2 p.m. 2 p.m. here. In Philippines, it's 6 p.m. Gabi na dyan sa atin. Ano sa labas. Ang init pa. Sige, tinginan kayo lahat sa akin. Tinginan sila sa akin eh. Mga ano. Sige, sigaw pa. Sigaw pa. Ayun, buko. Ayan na yung kulay. Sana may bus. Para ano lang. Hindi sayang ang taxi. Pag taxi, siguro 20 dirham. My God, 20 pesos na okay na yun. 20 dirham, 280 in Philippines. Naku po, Pilipinas, hindi mo ako mapapasakay talaga sa taxi. Jeep lang. Tricycle. Laka kami sumakay sa jeep at saka tricycle. Dito laging taxi, bus. Van. Yan. Sab sigurong dito, magdala ng jeep. Mga banong siguro mga ibang lahi dito pag meron no? Jeep, tricycle. Tuwan-tuwa siguro yung mga lalo yung alaga ako. Ang aga naman nga ba? Namaya pa yun mo. This bus. Dumaan ka na. Hindi ako pwedeng malate ng uwi. Dahil 3:30. Yung taxi. Dahil dyan. 3:30. 3:40 pala dating ng alaga ko. Kailangan pagkakuha ko doon, uwi agad. Try natin i-haul ang aking ukay-ukay. Init. Salit-hili guys. Ang hair ko, super curly. Ganda ng kulay. Sayang yung taxi. Taxi na lang. Balak. Oh my God, ang init. Oh my God, may mga lalaki sa taxi. Eh, sa bus stop. Init na. Kung ano mauna, taxi or bus. Okay? Kung ano katingin sa akin talaga eh. Hayaan na. Wait lang guys. Any friend, bakit they're talking while I'm vlogging. It's only joke at allowed. We're joking now, right? Derecho! You know derecho?
Walang problema.
Walang problema. No. So you know how to speak Philippine bad words?
I know.
What's that? Tell me if you know. What that word?
Gago.
Oh, gago. More. Gago. What more?
Sira ulo.
Talaga yun naisip ko na. Gago. Gago, sira ulo. And the famous words of Filipino. You don't know? The famous always telling Pinoy.
Pinoy?
Yeah, po. What's that? You don't know? You always say that. Put some. You know that?
I know.
He's laughing. Why? Yeah, it's the famous words of Pinoy. But it's only joke. You know the putang ina mo?
I know. It's very bad.
It's very bad. Not too bad. It's like
No, his friend is okay.
yeah,
No,
but if
they're very serious, this is the problem.
yeah.
Yeah.
When your friends, okay, putang ina mo, it's like that. But if
putangina.
you said putang ina, yeah, if you're a man, putang ina. My God, all taxi drivers know how to speak Tagalog.
Very easy Tagalog, no?
Oh, lagi nila sinasabi yon. The words of Philippines very easy. Easy?
Very easy.
What more you know Philippine word?
You know, kanan, kaliwa, derecho.
Where's the kanan?
Kanan, right.
Kaliwa.
Kaliwa, left.
Yes. Derecho, straight.
Para into stop.
Para ito, stop. Galing niya.
Hindi ko babalik dito.
I know you.
Saan ka papunta? We're going Hamdan.
Saan ka papunta? No, I know you have. You're just hiding it. How you know that all words, if you don't have, you have friends.
Yeah, only friend.
Okay. Hayaan na natin. Friend lang daw. Talaga lang Mada. Only friend.
Mabango, good smell, right?
Yeah. Mabango, it's good smell. O what? Mabaho.
Mabango, bad smell. Gago sila ulo crazy. Mabango, maganda 50 ball.
Wow! Am I maganda?
Oo.
Sinungaling!
Mahal kita.
Liar! Oh, mahal kita. Alam niyo lahat. Mahal kita is I love you. Habibi? Like that?
Yeah, I know. I love you. This mahal kita. Manila, Pampanga, Quezon City, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna.
I'm from Laguna.
Bisaya.
It's far from Laguna.
Yeah, Mindanao.
Super far. I'm in Luzon.
Bisaya, no? You go Mindanao after no come back on that
Yeah.
side.
I don't want to go there. She want
Manila too much 5'6".
Huh?
Manila too much 5'6".
5'6"?
Oo.
Bombay!
Oo.
Why you know Bombay? Are you Bombay?
No.
Oh.
I'm from Pasay City.
Oh, you go Philippines?
No, only Abu Dhabi.
My God. You said...
Mas I have friend.
Huh?
I have friend that tell me this one.
Bombay?
My friend also here, Filipino, is working their Etihad. Yung kaliwa?
Yeah, kaliwa. Kaliwa. Mahal. Ang mahal ng taxi. Parang bus na lang ako. 2 dirham only bus. Taxi, look, it's 16 dirham. My God, that's too much.
No, 1,625.
First the Dunkin' Donut.
This KFC.
Yeah.
Where this?
Pizza Hut. Yeah, there. Yeah, okay. Stop here.
Just wait. Where? This McDonald's.
Oh, yeah. See, I told you it's Dunkin' Donut, right?
Okay.
Yeah, this one, the ukay-ukay in Philippines, okay?
Okay.
So, if you...
Libre?
What libre?
Yes.
1 dirham. So,
Yes.
look, this one is only 5 dirham.
Very nice.
Yes. Ito na naman tayo, guys. Meron naman dito marunong magtagalog. But don't worry, I will not show your face. She know how to speak Filipino again. Tutok.
Ito na guys. Grabe, parang ano lang Ayan na guys. Ukay. Ano ba to? Mahilig ako. Sa Pilipinas ko pa to masusuot. Pero dito hindi. Mahilig ako sa ganito. May clip. See? Heritage. 1 dirham lang to guys. Sa ako na to i-wear pag nalaban na siya syempre. Ito pa guys Hollister. See? 1 dirham lang. Ito pa. Blue Spice. Basta magaganda siya guys. 1 dirham lang siya. Syempre, 1 dirham lang yun. Hindi, American Eagle. 1 dirham, 1 dirham. Kala mo masusuot ko yun sa Pilipinas pa. Hollister ulit. Hollister. So cute. 1 dirham lang yan. Kasap mga suki. Tapos, ito pa. YMY. YMI. Ang galing nyo guys. Paborito pa ng Pilipinas yan. Mga short 1 dirham. Ano ba? Ito Ito 10 dirham siya guys. Nagustuhan ko na kasi siya. Jack. Malamig. Medyo malamig. Ito din, cute. Favorite color ko kasi red. Yan. 10 dirham. Then, kasi nga bawal dito naka-short. Puro leggings. Ito yung pinili ko. Pero cute naman siya. At ito naman, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 dirham. Mura pa rin siya guys. Puro leggings siya. Leggings dito lang. Pag uwi ka lang Pilipinas. Ako. Tapos ko lang mag-short. Puro leggings yan. 3, 4. Then, 3, 4, 5 dirham. 1 dirham. Ito guys, ang cute din ito 5 dirham lang siya. Ito sa mga kids. Dahil natin naman siya. Para sa anak ko, birthday girl. na yung birthday niya. Okay, but first, gawin natin. Market siya. Mga ano lang siya. 1 dirham. Ito, kala mo naman kasi, di ba? Pwede naman siya. Masabihan lang, si mo. Diba? Hindi naman porket ukay-ukay, poor ka na. Kailangan maging practical ka. H&M. 3-4-5 dirham siya. Pero mura pa rin siya, diba guys? Kaysa sa atin sa Pilipinas. See, Banana Public. Disney para kay City. Cute. Dami yan guys. Ang cute to, short. Gusto kong suot. Mukhang short eh. Ito pa guys, ang nila ng ano na $9 kaya yan $9. Pero magbibili lang siya ng 3-4. Ito, may mga bago kasi ito. $9. Pero magbibili mo siya ng 3-4-10. Ang cute naman yung guys. Leggings ko. Cute na mga leggings. Pang-forma siya. Si Momo. Ang cute. Cute to. Cute lang niya. Gusto mo siyang isuot. This one. Mahilig ako sa mga ganito. Pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, nakakita nyo yung mga the way I wear. Grabe guys, hindi ako nakapag-bus. Ang tagal, ang init-init sa labas. Yun, lagot. Ang 40 dirham nga. Bus. Mga ano siya, mga dapat shot na dito. Matinit. So wala ko Pilipinas. Ang gano'n dito, pang malalang. Ang cute guys, Hello Kitty. Ano to? Yan. Saan ako? Think positive! Always think positive lang tayo guys. Ang cute to. Lagpas ng Dapat ko tinong ako na ito ng bago mag-New Year. Tagal ko iniwan to doon guys. Ang bigat kasi. Guys. Ang dami pa yan nandito na sa sa box na papackage ko guys. Ayan. Naku po. Tapos nung pauwi ako guys, grabe. Ang saya. Yan papunta ako dun sa hanggang masaya. Kasi may nakachikahan na naman ako. Pakistani naman. Ang galing niya guys. Ang dami niya alam na words ng Pinoy. Sabi niya, madali lang daw kasing matutunan yung salita natin. Pero yung salita nila hindi ko maintindihan. Kaso pauwi guys, lang yan. Grabe lang mahirap dito yung masakyan ng taxi is Shuhada guys na yan. Grabe, nakakahimatay. Grabe, siya, negro. Ang ano talaga, hindi ako makahinga. Tapos ang bagal-bagal pa niyang mag-drive. Kasi hindi niya yung alam papunta dito. Daan-dahan lang siya. Yun, 20 dirham. Mabait. Mabait naman ako, kaya go. Pero kung mabili siya, ano lang yung 15 dirham lang yun. Hindi niya alam yung way. Pasunod-sunod lang siya. But anyway, okay lang. Ganun talaga. Mahalaga. Naiuwi ko na lahat. Naku, Friday, ano na naman to. Bibili na naman ako sigurado. Parang ang daming pera eh, no? Sige na, guys. Ano kayang ano bukas? Bukas mag-vlog ulit ako. Ano naman siya? Funny. Funny naman. Sige na, guys. Thank you for watching this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell para lagi kayong connected sa akin. Connected. Bye, guys. God is good all the time.
Gala-gala kami, guys. Walk. Ang lamig ngayon dito sa Abu Dhabi. No. Nagja-jump siya sa mga bubo. Parang tanga yung nakakaasar. May papansin na
Everything left. Oh my goodness, it will be dark.
where they go? You want to go there also or here? Here? Are you sure?
It's okay if you walk on the road.
Yeah.
Because every car, when they see someone walking on the road, they stop.
Ang lamig niya, guys. Dito sa Abu Dhabi, gala-gala kami. Nakaka-boring. What? Huh? Cleaning.
What?
It's a cleaning area. Clean. Washing area.
Are they washing it?
Yeah, there's washing machine. Big washing machine nata.
They have a big washing machine?
Yeah.
The Belgians have a big washing machine.
Thank you, guys. Ano na ako? 1,000 subs na. Wow. Pil na pil. Pil na pil naman niya. Natalie. Thank you sa mga naniniwala.
Why are you walking on the...
What?
I'm going to check.
Ang lamig. Hanggang ano lang to? February? February din. Wow. Too much hot again.
I see a butterfly.
Where?
I see a butterfly. Super fast. I saw it, but you lose.
Butterfly here?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah! Last time when we went to computer, I saw a butterfly.
Where?
In the computer.
Oh, you're in the wrong way. We're not going there. You're gonna work there also? Come on, hold my hand. What?
I wonder why they're not.
Natalie, it's not easy to make a building like this, you know. Even
It's hard work.
if you want to finish that fast, you have to make 1,000, yeah, 1,000 people maybe. But
I can count to 100.
but I think there's only 200 like that.
Sometimes you can count to millions.
Yeah.
I
I see a cat. Where
you
he hide?
You want to play I Spy?
Okay. Yeah, I see it. The cat.
Where?
Meow. Meow.
There's more cats.
Yeah,
Look
there's
there.
one. There's two.
this one? You don't see it?
Yeah.
My God, you don't have eyes. Don't run.
I spy with my
Little eyes.
the color black.
Black noise. The cat's not color black. It's
No, it's
black and orange. Hello. Hello, cat. Hello.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Maybe his eyes are
Cute.
Yeah, he's not.
Lamig. Oh, oh, oh. Cold. Lamig.
How can we go backward?
There's also a See?
The sky's so squirty.
Lamig. Iba na.
It's your turn to say I
Iba na.
spy.
It's my turn. What we call that?
I spy with my little eye. Change
I
color.
spy with my little eyes. Color red. Yeah, red.
T-shirt.
No, it's not that. It's like a triangle. There's triangle. Not
Here.
you don't see the triangle?
No, it's red and white.
No. Okay, red. So at least there's triangle. Oh, there's also big dog there. Natalie, look, it's so big. Did you see that?
Yeah.
The color brown.
Bella's is really big.
Oh, Bella's big.
She's a golden face.
Ang lamig, guys. Pag tinanggal mo yung ano,
Even
yung
she
cap.
likes it.
Lamig.
What? Oh, this way. Can you hear me? Get out.
Nahulog yung phone. Grabe. Nawasik yung phone ko.
Don't tap your phone again. Don't tap your phone again.
No, I just want to see the building there. There's
And then
nice.
And then he fell down.
Yeah.
Imagine don't say I spy.
Let's go there, Natalie. Let's see the
I don't think that's a good idea.
why? Are you afraid?
Okay, let's go there.
No, no. You said it's not good. It's not good idea.
I changed my mind. It's a good idea.
No, because I don't see any people go there. That's why you're right. It's not nice. So,
Dog again. Come on, that's a good.
I spy with my
That's
little.
my turn.
Oh, okay.
I spy with my little eye. The color red.
Red. My shoes is red. Ah no,
Something very red.
something very red.
Yeah.
My T-shirt. Yeah.
Your turn.
Okay. Hold my hand.
We have to start with the
I see. I spy with my little eyes. Color red.
That's red again.
Yeah, I see
See,
red.
different
Natalie,
color.
I see it.
Where?
No, just look with your little eye.
If I use the big eyes like my binoculars, I can see better.
But I see it. I see it.
Where?
No, just there. Just look up. You don't see? I see it. It's a light. I see a light red.
Oh, I can see it. Oh, there it is.
Ayun o, yung pinapakita ko. Yun, yung
I
red.
spy
Okay.
with my little eye. The color. The black, white, and red.
Black, white, and green.
Gray.
Ah, gray. You're waiting for this, right? Oh, you see the dog now.
Natalie, she's waiting for you. Natalie, go. Why? You said you want. See, it's nice.
She's very friendly.
Oh, see, it's very friendly. Go.
Sit down. Lola.
Oh, what's the name?
Lola.
I don't care, Natalie.
She's very friendly. You can give her a pat.
Oh, girl, come on, Natalie. Do it.
Are you scared? Oh.
But when she saw there, yeah, I want to see. She was just collected. Now it's here. Nato.
She likes to lick and kiss everybody.
Wow, Natalie, you want like that? Sounded like Bella.
Actually,
Nachi.
she's scared. You're too crazy. Come on.
Bye. Say bye. Ah, she don't. I think she like you, Natalie.
Yeah,
She's down. Hi. Hi.
Maybe he doesn't understand what you're talking about.
Oh, no, she understands me because she's sitting. Natalie, she like you. It's okay. She will bite you. It's so cute. Lola. No, I don't see what you said. Red, orange, and black. Ah, gray. Red, orange, and gray.
No.
What?
Red.
Natalie, touch her.
I said black, white, and gray. A raccoon.
Ah, what? There's no raccoon here. Just
Okay.
only the one we see, not the one you want.
No, I saw a raccoon in Cookstown.
Where?
And you didn't see?
No.
Because he was sleeping in your room. I watched.
Takot si Natalie doon sa ano. Tignan mo, tapos ngayon habol-habulin mo, baliw. It's so good. What's the name of the dog? Lola.
Lola.
Lola, in Philippines, it's grandma.
Huh.
Lola.
I don't know her name because
I miss my Lola.
I don't know her name because I never saw
Musta na, Lola? Lola Guneng. Sabi ta, ingat ka lagi. Saka si...
her. He's waiting. He's waiting for us.
Think positive, okay, Lola? Miss you. Love, love, love.
She really wants to wait for us.
She's waiting. She wants to touch you. Lick.